In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create video ads with Canva. We'll go from a blank idea to a polished ad you can share, keeping everything simple and easy to follow. Start by opening Canva and searching for video ad. If you already know where your ad will live, try a specific search like Facebook video ad or TikTok ad to see templates sized and styled for that platform. You can always start from scratch if you prefer full control, but templates are great for inspiration and speed. Next, bring in your assets. Drag and drop your video clips, product photos, and your brand logo straight into the editor. Keeping files organized before you start helps a lot, especially if you plan to test multiple versions later. Now, customize the timeline. Arrange your clips in the order that tells your story clearly: hook first, benefit next, and product or call to action at the end. Trim, crop, or split clips so each moment earns its place. Shorter cuts often feel more dynamic. Add transitions between scenes, but keep them consistent. Simple fades or quick cuts usually look the most professional and won't distract from your message. Add text and branding. Keep on-screen text short and punchy. Aim for 3 to 5 words per line so it's readable on mobile. Apply your brand colors and fonts to build recognition, and place your logo where it's visible but not intrusive. Use subtle text animations like fade or pop to draw attention without overwhelming the viewer. Set the timing so text appears exactly when the corresponding visual or point is on screen. Enhance the ad with media. Browse Canva's library for free music, graphics, or stickers, or upload your own. Choose a track that matches your ad's energy and adjust the volume so it supports the visuals rather than overpowering them. Use filters to create a cohesive look across different clips, and consider speed adjustments to emphasize key moments or tighten pacing. Finally, preview your ad from start to finish. Watch for typos, timing, and overall flow, and listen for audio spikes or abrupt cuts. When you're happy, download your video as an MP4 and you're ready to share. That's it. Thanks for watching.